In this video, I'll show you how to add LinkedIn Learning content to your Brightspace course. Before you get started, there's one important note to keep in mind. Both faculty and students must first claim their CUNY LinkedIn Learning account. To do this, sign in using your CUNY first username. That's firstname.lastname, followed by 2 numbers, at login.cuny.edu. Visit linkedin.com/learning-login to claim your account. First, open your Brightspace course. Go to the content module where you want to add the LinkedIn Learning material. If you don't have a module yet, you can create a new one. Next, click Existing Activities. Then select LinkedIn Learning-City Tech. You may need to scroll down to see it. Now, search for the content you want to add. To narrow your results, scroll down and expand the filter sections. You can filter by content type, source, level, and more. When you find the content you want, scroll down and click Add next to the item. After everything has been added, click Confirm. The LinkedIn Learning content will now appear in your Brightspace course and be available to your students.